My name is Eric Rome. I'm the owner of A+ Carpet and Flooring. Been in business for 17 years. Been doing carpet and flooring for about 20 years. Grew up working with my hands on the farm, and one of my friends had a carpet company. I went to work with them every now and then, and I absolutely loved it. It was fun seeing us take a place from being unorganized, dirty carpet, bad hardwoods, and we could redo everything, make it look beautiful for the homeowner. We deliver excellence, and the only way to do that is if you care about your product and you care about your work, and we truly do care. Our customers mean everything to us. A+ Carpet and Flooring is a family-owned and operated business. We're located centrally in Columbia, Maryland. We're very easy to get to. We're right off of Route 108. The reason why you should choose A+ Carpet and Flooring is the services and products that we offer. What makes us very unique is the tremendous amount of selection that you're going to find in here. We're the master dealer for Mohawk and Shaw. We have an enormous amount of carpet, luxury vinyl planks. We have an assortment of hard surfaces ranging from engineered stone to beautiful hardwoods. We also do truck-mounted steam cleaning. We also do water damage cleanup. We also do sanding and refinishing. What makes me most proud about my business is hearing our customers tell us how much they love us. Another thing that I'm extremely proud of is how much we can give back to the community. Finding the right flooring for your house, it's a pretty simple thing. First, we want to find the carpet and flooring that you absolutely love. From there, we're going to make it as seamless as possible, and we offer a variety of financing options. I want you to come in here and experience the difference. We have everything to offer, and we really care about you.